Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we tell you about First Congo War. The First Congo War, also known as the African World War, was a conflict that took place in the Democratic Republic of the Congo, DRC, between 1996 and 1997. The conflict was largely the result of political and ethnic tensions in the country, as well as the desire for control of the DRC's vast natural resources. The First Congo War began as a rebellion led by Laurent-Désiré Kabila against the government of Mobutu Sese Seko, who had ruled the country since 1965. The rebellion was initially backed by a number of neighboring countries, including Rwanda and Uganda, who saw Kabila as a way to end the Mobutu regime and gain access to the DRC's resources. The war was fought between the rebel forces, who were primarily made up of Tutsi soldiers from Rwanda and Uganda, and the government forces, which were largely composed of ethnic Hutu soldiers from the DRC. The conflict quickly escalated into a regional war, with a number of other African countries becoming involved, including Zimbabwe, Angola, and Namibia. Despite being vastly outnumbered and outgunned, the rebel forces were able to make significant advances and eventually succeeded in overthrowing the Mobutu regime. Kabila became the new president of the DRC, but his rule was marked by corruption, mismanagement, and ethnic violence. The First Congo War had a devastating impact on the country and its people. The conflict caused an estimated 3 million deaths, both from combat and from the famine and disease that resulted from the disruption of normal life. The war also displaced millions of people and devastated the country's infrastructure, making it difficult for the government to provide basic services such as healthcare, education, and security. In conclusion, the First Congo War was a complex and devastating conflict that had far-reaching consequences for the Democratic Republic of the Congo and the wider region. Despite the end of the war, the country continues to struggle with political and ethnic tensions, as well as the impact of the conflict on its people and infrastructure.